So hi guys, Lina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm unboxing this studio light right here. I'm going to be showing you how it came and the process of setting it up, and at the end of the video I'll also share with you how much the studio setup cost me, also how much it cost me to ship in the setup into Nigeria, into Lagos, Nigeria. So if you want to see all of that, then please keep on watching this video. This is zip right here. Yeah. And it came with 3 backdrops, black, white, and green. There are many bags in here. Let me just open it and see what's in this one right here. Okay. Let's see. I think this is for one of the lights. Let's see what's in here. 4 poles in here. One bag right here came with 2 stands and 4 of these poles. So this right here is for the bag and this right here, I think this is the second umbrella light. I don't know what this right here is. I really don't know what this is. Yeah. So in here, oh, this is a bulb. So this came with 4 bulbs, and none of them is broken. And there are 2 umbrella lights. It also came with clamps for holding the fabrics to the stand. So it came with 6 clamps. What's here? Okay, this looks like only for the umbrella lights. Another one of these. What's in here? This is another stand. I just 4 of this stand. I think these 4 stands are for the lights. To set it up, I'm going to start out with the stand. So, I'm going to have to figure this out because this will come with any manual right here. Should be on the ends because that's what I'm going to screw onto this side. Okay, so these 2 should be at the ends. These ones should be. The problem with this one right here is that this is denting, so it's not really allowing for this one to go in. So I have to look for something to use in pushing this out a bit. Just pull it out for me a bit. Here it goes now. Oh, finally. I'm just going to fit it into this hole right here. Just, yeah. So this is tight, this is firm. Also, yeah. And I think I can choose the length that I want for this backdrop. I can choose to take out this one and use just this and this one because it's really wide. It's really wide, really wide. So this is my home to use better. Yeah, make it short. Put this right in here. Put this in here and screw. This one. The lights. These are all of the lights. I have two softbox lights and two umbrella lights, and then the stand with three backdrops: a green colored backdrop, a white one, and a black one. All of this cost me $75. Though shipping this into Nigeria cost me another extra 49,000 naira, which is approximately 50k. So in all, this setup right here is approximately I think 90,000 naira, which is affordable. I could choose to use just the softbox lights and sell the umbrella lights. Then for the stand, I think the stand is such that I could adjust the length, because I really don't need the stand as long as that. But really, I'm impressed with this. So if you're looking to invest in a home studio setup, or you probably are just starting out with photography and you want to get the stand and the lights, you can invest in all of this. It's affordable. If you're looking to invest in lights, you could just get just the lights and leave the backdrop. For me, I want to be able to experiment in my backdrop. That's why I invested in getting this stand. And probably if I'm doing like photo shoots for my business, I could also still use this backdrop right here. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value out of this video, don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.